Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you about the selection process of HCL AMP program 2026. So if you don't know what is HCL AMP program, I have already given a complete details of this program in one of my previous video, which is available in YouTube. Please go and check it out. I'm giving the link in the description. And here's something a lot of people are getting wrong about this one is that this is not specifically for official campus type. It is for both on campus and off campus candidates. So both are eligible for AMP program. So if your college is not listed in HCL Tech's partners campus, you are not locked out from this program. You can apply directly. If you're eligible, let's talk about what you are actually walking to. So coming to the selection process, there are five stages in this one. I want to walk you through them properly because knowing the order matters. So the first one is cognitive test. It's around 90 minutes. Here you will be given a questions on numerical ability, verbal, reasoning on your classical aptitude round. And coming to the second one, that is coding or technical test, somewhere around 60 to 90 minutes. And the next one is the twist. You can only move to the third stage, the version test, if you clear both the cognitive test and the coding test. So this is for specifically automated English speaking and listening test, and you need to score somewhere between 46 to 56. That's the kind of a B1 level to pass it. And the next one is technical interview, and is officially the final one is HR interview. So there will be five stages. It's like a marathon, I know, but every single one of this is very learnable if you know exactly what it's testing, and that's exactly what we are doing next. Okay, let's talk about how to prepare for HL's AMP program stage by stage. The first one is cognitive test. It is a standard aptitude stuff based on profit and loss, time, speed, distance, percentages, data interpretation, blood relations, coding and decoding. If you are ever prepared for MCAT or CookCubes, this is very familiar to that one. For free resources, I honestly suggest you to check out IndiaBix. It's still one of the best places to grind a topic-wise question for free. No login is required for this one. And the next one is Jigs for Jigs, has a solid aptitude section too. If you want explanations alongside the questions, is not just the answers. And the third one is my favorite, that is Prepista, has a decent free tier with a mock tests that are timed, which matters because 90 minutes of a whole section means speed counts as much as accuracy. Don't just solve the problems and call it a preparation. Set a timer every time and do prepare for the exam. The next one is coding or technical test. Pick any one language and actually commit to it. C, C++, Java, Python, whatever you are most comfortable in. And you need a solid syntax, basic OOPS concepts, arrays, strings, and fundamental logics, sorting, searching, and recursion. And here is some good news is that it isn't a brutal DSA grind like a product company technical interviews. HCL's coding round leans towards clean, correct logic or algorithmic complexity. So start with the very easy one, that is HackerRank, and then try with the lead code, sticking to the easy tier problems. It is good if you solve at least easy to medium top 50 questions from the lead code, doing them consistently. And actually every day matters, practicing the coding questions, and even just two or three genuinely gets you where you need to be. You don't need a paid DSA course for this one. Coming to the third one, that is version test. You will be coming to this stage if you clear the first and second round perfectly. So honestly, I think most of you were aware about Accenture's communication test and also Capgemini and Cognizant. Those companies are also conduct a version test, including Amazon. If you don't know any idea on this one, go and check it out. Other YouTube channels video on Accenture communication tests and Capgemini and Cognizant communication tests for the third level. So you'll get to know the brief idea on what the test is and how it will be going to conduct it. For the practical session, I would suggest you to check out the official versiontest.com, which provides you some free mock tests for the candidates. It's not testing your vocabulary or your grammar knowledge, it's testing the fluency and the pronunciation scored by automated system. And the fourth one is technical interview. Here, the candidates who can't explain their own resume, whatever the project is setting in your resume, you need to be able to talk through the architecture, what you specifically build, and one real problem you ran into and solved. And be prepared for the star method answering for the questions, and have solid basic knowledge in DBMS, operating systems, and computer networks, and you are genuinely into the good shape. Jigs for Jigs again is a solid here for a quick CS fundamental revision, and their gate notes section double wrap nicely for interview preparation, even if you are not writing the gate exam. And the last one is HR interview. This is where you should actually what your homework instead of working in cold. Know roughly what HCL does, its services, engineering, R&D, cloud and security, all the background of the HCL, and also be ready for the predictable ones. Tell me about yourself. Why HCLTech? Are you okay relocating to generic location? Copy pasted answers got more offers at this stage than a people realize. So make it sound like you not like the template you found online. So to bring it all together, AMP is really isn't about luck. It's definitely not about which college is printed on your ID card. It's about five stages: cognitive, coding, version, and then two interviews. And your performance matters in each and every section. At every single one of these decides whether you land at your at 4 or half a lakhs or a 10. If this video actually helped you, hit a subscribe. And also I'm doing more of these breakdowns for other campus hiring programs, going stage by stage. No fluffs, just what actually helps. And tell me in the comment section if you have any queries and any questions related to this one. I'll try to provide you with a solution at my best. And which stages worries you the most, cognitive, coding, or person? Whichever one comes to the most, that's I'm picking and making the next video on that one. All right, see you in the next video, guys.